Welcome, everyone. From the towering Himalayas to the lush Western Ghats, India is a land of incredible biodiversity, a tapestry of life woven over millennia. Yet this natural heritage faces a formidable challenge: the impact of human activities, what we scientists call anthropogenic activities, on the environment. Today, we journey across India to understand these activities, their consequences, and the inspiring measures being taken to safeguard this nation's natural treasures for generations to come. As the human population grows, so too does our footprint upon the earth. Industries hum with activity, drawing resources from the land and releasing emissions into the atmosphere. Forests, once sprawling kingdoms of life, shrink as land is cleared for agriculture and urban sprawl. The very air we breathe, the water we depend on, and the soil that nourishes our crops bear witness to the impact of our actions. From the bustling factories of Mumbai to the agricultural heartlands of Punjab, anthropogenic activities are shaping the very fabric of India's environment. But it is not just the scale of these activities, but their very nature that demands our attention. The roar of bulldozers clearing land for mining operations, the incessant hum of traffic in India's megacities, and the chemical runoff from agricultural fields. Each tells a story of human impact on the delicate balance of nature. Understanding these activities is the first step towards mitigating their negative effects. The consequences of unchecked anthropogenic activities are stark and far-reaching. The air, once crisp and clean, grows thick with smog, a visible reminder of industrial emissions and vehicular exhaust. Rivers, the lifeblood of India, flow heavy with pollutants, their waters a toxic cocktail of industrial waste and sewage. The very soil, the foundation of India's agricultural prowess, is depleted and degraded by intensive farming practices and chemical fertilizers. And as forests dwindle, countless species of plants and animals lose their habitats, pushing them towards the brink of extinction. The delicate balance of India's ecosystems is disrupted, with potentially catastrophic consequences for the natural world and human society alike. The warming planet, a consequence of greenhouse gas emissions, brings with it the specter of more frequent and intense droughts, floods, and heat waves. These are not mere abstract concepts. They are realities that threaten the livelihoods and well-being of millions across India. Yet amidst these challenges, a spirit of conservation is taking root in India. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, the government has enacted stringent environmental laws and regulations aimed at curbing pollution, protecting forests, and promoting sustainable practices. From the corridors of power to the grassroots level, a movement towards a greener future is gaining momentum. Initiatives like the National Clean Air Program, the Namami Gange project to rejuvenate the sacred river Ganges, and the promotion of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are testaments to India's commitment to environmental stewardship. But government action alone is not enough. Across India, individuals, communities, and organizations are joining hands to plant trees, clean up rivers, and raise awareness about the importance of environmental conservation. It is in these collective efforts, driven by a shared love for their homeland, that the hope for a sustainable future for India truly lies. The challenges facing India's environment are significant. There's no denying that. Anthropogenic activities have cast a long shadow, but through strict laws, sustainable practices, and a growing public awareness, India is taking decisive steps towards a greener, more sustainable future. But the responsibility lies not just with governments and organizations, but with each one of us. Every action we take, every choice we make, has an impact on the environment. Let's reduce our carbon footprint, conserve water, embrace sustainable practices, and teach future generations to respect and protect the natural world. Let's take action today for a better tomorrow. If you find this video informative, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.